Thank you, Chair Murray, for the opportunity to address the witnesses on such an important topic around child care and preschool. We're looking for ways to really improve the outcome for the kids who are growing up in sometimes challenging circumstances. Think about good intentions. I think both sides probably have good intentions as it relates to the conversation and sometimes the debate around providing high-quality child care to folks who are in desperate need of it. I think about the approach that was going to be taken in the Build Back Better plan. That approach would have increased, according to the progressive think tanks, increased the cost of child care from $15,888 to around $29,000 in an attempt to make child care more affordable. I think they would have made child care less affordable. And again, we look at creating multiple systems, or at least a different approach to child care that actually is harder to manage for the average family when you think about the 12 million kids today who are in child care that is not fused to a family member. Those kids need the highest quality of access possible. If we want to see folks coming back to work, solving this problem, bridging the gap, is so critically important to the kids who are literally looking for a safe place to learn, parents who are looking for a way to be able to have their kids in a safe environment, a good environment, so they can continue to work, because you can't be at work and at home at the same time. And we saw that challenge exacerbated throughout the pandemic. Parents who needed to be at work but could not find a place for their kids had to make what was an easy choice for most parents: take care of your kids first. And that's why so many parents work. And so one of the things I've done of the last I think maybe 6 years ago, is make sure that we kept the choice in the hands of the parents through the legislation and the amendments that I made to legislation several years ago. And today I introduced legislation, the Child Care and Development Block Grant Reauthorization Act of 2022, because the Child Care and Development Block Grant Program has assisted working families and their children for more than 30 years, all while ensuring that parents have maximum freedom to make the best decisions for their children. In South Carolina today, thousands upon thousands of kids under the age of 6 and their parents in the workforce need those options in their quiver, so to speak, to make the best decisions for their kids. This is a lifeline for low-income families looking to participate in the workforce or continue their education. This bill also traditionally enjoyed immense bipartisan support. That's why we are actually having a conversation, in my opinion, today. My new bill would make responsible enhancements to the CCD-BG program to better support America's working families.